Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, born in Mumbai in 1960, wasn't your typical stockbroker. He was destined to become a legend in the world of finance. Even as a young boy, he was fascinated by the stock market. The numbers, the charts, the stories of fortunes made and lost captivated his young mind. His father, an income tax officer, discussed the markets with his friends, sparking Rakesh's curiosity. These conversations were more than just background noise, they were the seeds of his future. This early exposure ignited a passion that would define his life. He absorbed every bit of information, every story, and every lesson. Rakesh wasn't afraid to be different. He embraced his unique interests and followed his own path, even when it diverged from the norm. While his friends pursued traditional careers, he was drawn to the world of finance and investing. He spent countless hours studying, learning, and dreaming. He enrolled in the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, but his heart was set on the stock market. The world of numbers and finance was where he truly felt at home. He dreamt of making it big, not through shortcuts, but by mastering the art of investing. His nights were filled with studying market trends and financial statements. His journey wasn't paved with inherited wealth. He had to build everything from the ground up, relying on his wits and determination. He started small, with a mere 5,000 rupees, about $70, in 1985, a time when India's stock market was relatively unexplored territory. It was a bold move, but one that would pay off. This small sum would be the foundation of an empire, a testament to his belief in himself and the Indian growth story. He saw potential where others saw risk. Undeterred by the skeptics, Rakesh dove headfirst into the world of investing. He was relentless in his pursuit of knowledge and success. He devoured financial statements, analyzed market trends, and honed his understanding of businesses. His dedication was unwavering. His early years were a mix of small wins and important lessons, shaping him into the astute investor he would become. Each experience, whether a success or a failure, was a stepping stone on his path to greatness. Rakesh's early investments were characterized by meticulous research and a deep understanding of market dynamics. He spent countless hours poring over financial reports, analyzing every detail to ensure he made informed decisions, and a contrarian spirit. He wasn't afraid to go against the tide, identifying undervalued companies with strong growth potential. His approach was often seen as risky, but Rakesh had a unique ability to see opportunities where others saw obstacles. One such bet was Tata Tea, a company many considered stagnant at the time. Rakesh saw potential where others saw limitations. He believed in the company's ability to innovate and expand beyond its traditional market. He recognized the inherent strength of the brand and the burgeoning middle class that would drive its growth. The Indian middle class was growing rapidly, and Rakesh foresaw a significant increase in demand for quality products like Tata Tea. He invested heavily in Tata Tea, a move that raised eyebrows in the market. However, his conviction was soon rewarded. The market was skeptical, but Rakesh's confidence never wavered. Tata Tea's stock price soared, exceeding everyone's expectations, including perhaps even Rakesh's. The company's success story became a testament to his investment acumen. This single investment catapulted him into the limelight, turning his initial thousands into a sizable fortune. It was a defining moment in his career, marking the beginning of his journey as one of India's most influential investors. It was a clear sign of his potential and a validation of his unconventional approach. Financial analysts and market experts began to take notice of his strategies and insights. The success of the Tata Tea investment was a turning point. It not only brought him financial success, but also established his reputation as a shrewd investor with a knack for identifying hidden gems. It not only brought him financial success, but also established his reputation as a shrewd investor with a knack for identifying hidden gems. His name started appearing in financial news articles, and he was sought after for interviews. The big bull was beginning to make his presence felt in the Indian stock market. His journey was just beginning, and the seeds of fortune he had sown were starting to bear fruit. Rakesh's success with Tata Tea was not a one-hit wonder. It marked the beginning of a remarkable journey in the world of investments, where his keen eye for potential and his willingness to take calculated risks set him apart. It was the beginning of a series of astute investments that would eventually build his reputation as a visionary investor. He saw potential in companies like Titan, a watchmaker then considered a niche player. While others hesitated, Rakesh recognized the untapped market and the growing aspirations of the Indian middle class. Again, he went against the grain, investing heavily in the company. His contrarian approach often raised eyebrows, but Rakesh had a knack for seeing what others missed. His belief in Titan stemmed from his understanding of the Indian consumer. He knew that as incomes rose, so would the demand for quality products. He foresaw a future where aspirational Indians would increasingly seek out brands like Titan. His foresight was not just about numbers, it was about understanding cultural shifts and consumer behavior. His long-term vision paid off handsomely. Titan's stock price soared, rewarding his faith and patience. Titan, over the years, transformed into a lifestyle giant, its stock price multiplying manifold. The company diversified its product range, becoming a household name in India. Rakesh's portfolio wasn't limited to just a few companies. He had a broad vision and a diversified approach. He diversified his investments across sectors, identifying undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. His strategy was to spread risk while maximizing potential returns. He invested in companies like Crisil, a leading credit rating agency, Praj Industries, a bioenergy company, and Lupin, a major player in the pharmaceutical industry, all of which generated substantial returns, further cementing his status as a market leader. His ability to pick winners consistently was nothing short of remarkable. His investment strategy was simple yet effective. Identify good businesses, back them with conviction, and be patient. He believed in the companies he invested in and gave them time to grow. He believed in the power of compounding and held on to his investments for the long term, riding out market volatility with unwavering confidence. His journey from thousands to billions is a testament to his vision, patience, and unwavering belief in the potential of the Indian market.